Hello everyone. Welcome to our new series on a very important part of the English language, transitions and connectives. Transition words, also called connectives, are used to link clauses in a sentence, one sentence to another or even one para to another. They help the reader to understand the relationship of one sentence to another. They are useful in giving text a flow and conveying very clear meaning. Transition words are frequently appear at the start of a sentence separated by a comma. Sometimes they may appear in other parts of sentences too. Now check the examples. Although he was unhappy about it, he decided to go ahead and do it. You have completed the task successfully. Moreover, you have already begun the next one. It began raining heavily. As a result, they had to cancel the concert. The words highlighted in red are examples of transitional or connectives. To illustrate causal transitions, this demonstrates cause and effect. Because, due to, owing to, as a result of, since, as, hence, thus, and so on. Conflict. These words show contrast. However, although, even though, while, whereas. Purpose. These transitions show intention, that, in order to, so that, so as to. There are many more transition words and we will look at some of the important ones in this series. These signpost words, connectives, transition words are important for professionals, test takers and students. So don't miss them. Therefore, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notified about our next video so you won't miss them. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.